Never fear, because a Dan the Man is here. Today we're making a couple of stovetop coils. And after I make them, I'll show you how I use them to test my flavors with new cotton every time. Anyhow, I get my coil jig, okay? I put the smallest radius in there, which is 1.5. That's this. I put it on the outside. Of course, you can do it any way you want. This is how I do it. And hopefully we learned something here. Put it in through the outside hole. I bend it so it's easy to hold on to. Now, what I need to do here is turn it, because you can see that it's the flat part is not going to work here. So let's bend it the way I want it to be. There we go. Now I'm going to put it right up against that. Now I have seen a new little tool that is easier to make these with, but I don't have it, and I'm gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way, which is rather difficult. You must know, it's not that easy, to be honest. Well, especially with Claptons. That's what I use. I'm a Clapton user and abuser. Okay. Not a lot of talking going on because I'm actually trying to concentrate. I should be looking here because you know what? I'm I can't see. And when I do this type of work, I use my magnifying glass, my no hands magnifying glass. Okay, yeah, this isn't that easy. This is somewhat difficult, I gotta admit. That's probably why I haven't made one in so long. It's way easier to use round wire. But I don't use round wire very often. Pretty much never. I can make a very small Clapton, so, I mean, once I started making Claptons, I was hooked. I was hooked. This is getting to be a pain in the rear, so let's just keep it as tight as possible. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's keep going with it. The other one I want to make just about the same way, if possible. There we go. Flip this up just a little bit, push it out. And there we go. One stovetop coil. I'm gonna try to tighten it up somewhat. Oh yeah, it's nice and tightened. There we go. There it is. A wham, a bam, a spank you, a ma'am. It don't have to be exactly perfect. Well, in my mind it does. That's perfect enough for me. Alright, whatever. Now, let's do it again. Let's do her again, shall we? Let's actually take a look and compare this one to the one I was using. Yeah, about the same size, isn't it? Right on. I'll probably give you an idea of what I'm planning on. There we go. Very nice indeed. Do it again. One more time. Alright, now this one has a lot more turn, whatever you call it in it. Alright, let's give this another go, shall we? Is someone upstairs? There's Morgan. I don't know where the cat is. Alright, you know what, folks? I'll be right back. Alright, nobody's up there. I'm in the basement. And I can hear every friggin' thing that goes on upstairs, but there's nobody home but me. And our ghost was walking around. See, there he goes again. Anyhow, I don't know if the ghost is male or female, but I do believe it's female. Anyhow, let's do this. Enough about our ghost. I think she's fairly friendly, but I think she messes with me too. That's actually not a bad idea. Take this and then just kind of spin it. I kind of like that. See if I can keep it up. No, I can't. But I'll make it as tight as I can, if I can. There we go. Now I'm just spinning this. That may even be even easier. Except you want to keep them right on top of each other, darn it. That's why it's supposed to be flat against that. Okay, so the spinning didn't really work, did it? Now this one's coming out a little more difficult. Damn it, probably won't show this one. Damn it. We're still going, and I haven't really talked. This one, I'm probably going to edit right out. Because it's being a pain in the balls. That's why it's important to get it right up against there. Yeah, that's why that's important. Damn it. Pain in the ass right now. Yeah, don't do that, boys and girls. Because I just fucked it up. See if I can fix it. Anyways, that's how you do it. It's actually not how you do it. Okay, there they are. And are they perfect? Yeah, they are. They might not be aesthetically perfect, but they're going to be perfect for exactly what I need them for. All right, my friends, that's how you make a stovetop out of Claptons. Those Claptons, by the way, are 26 gauge wrapped with 40. Peace.